Here's the power plant in the 1929 Essex. Like I said, it's been rebuilt, but I don't think it's ever been fired. So there's probably a little break-in procedure and all that, but you got to finish up some wiring. It looks like all the wiring is new, just needs to be completed. But look at that fan, it's funny. But the belt, all the wires, all the spark plug wires are all brand new. 160 cubic inches. 6-cylinder, flat 6. 3-speed on the floor. I can't start it obviously because the car hasn't been completed, and I can't drive it because I love to do my driving videos. But this is what you get on this one, and if you have any more questions about it, give us a ring. But it'd be a good project to finish up, and if you know what you're doing with this, it's probably pretty easy. I bet you on a weekend you have it going. Anyway, if you have any questions, give us a ring or come out and see us. We're in Simi Valley, California. California Cars, 2158 Union Place, City of Simi Valley, California. Phone number 818-591-1313. And my name is Rich. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. All right, we're going to do a little walk around here with our 1929 Essex. So Essex was the precursor to the Hudson. Pretty cool information. I mean, I've never been a big super classic car fan, this vintage, but I can really appreciate this one. I mean, this is a rumble seat Roadster. Essex had a 6-cylinder in 29, like the Ford had a 4-cylinder, so probably a little bit of a hot rod. Got the wood wheels in beautiful condition. So this car was stored. They tried to start restoring it back in the 70s. The engine's been rebuilt. They started to do the wiring. The paint was probably done back then too, so you got a 20, 30-year-old paint job here or more. 70 seems like it was yesterday. But it's got the really cool rumble seat back here. There's a little step. That's how you got in them. I don't know if I could even do that one, but pretty cool. And this closes right up. Gives it that neat look. But the interior's in great shape. I have a soft top for it, the Bose. I don't have the top. I have the glass back window and everything, so somebody would have to finish that and to get it going. I mean, the engine was rebuilt, so it should run fine once somebody gets it going, but it's a pretty simple engine anyway. A little flat 6. But it's got the running boards, got the little marker lights there, the tilt-out windshield, those giant super cool headlights. Even has the crank. You can start it that way. Old school. But beautiful car. Really hope somebody buys this thing and finishes it up because it's worthy. It's a museum type car, and you can put it in parades or whatever you'd like to do, but it's very complete, and I think it'd be a good car to finish up.